For decades, companies were organized around departments: finance, HR, IT, operations, engineering, and marketing. But I don't think that's going to be the future anymore. I think the next competitive advantage will come from something most organizations rarely talk about, and that's organizational design. I recently came across an observation from an AI strategist, Shol Rashidi, that really made me stop and think about this for a bit. She explained that responsibilities around data, digital analytics, AI, governance, and risk are beginning to converge. And I don't think that's simply a technology trend. I think it's a leadership trend. Because once technology starts influencing every part of the business, the traditional boundaries between each department begins to matter less, and collaboration begins to matter much more. Think about what happens when intelligent systems become part of everyday work. Finance will depend on technology, technology will depend on legal, legal will depend on compliance, and compliance depends on HR. Operations will depend on all of them. No single department is going to own the transformation anymore, which means the challenge is no longer implementing technology. The challenge is aligning people, process, decision-making, governance, and accountability across the enterprise. That's why I believe organizational design is becoming one of the most important leadership capabilities of the next couple of years and beyond. The organizations that will move the fastest won't necessarily be the ones with the biggest technology budgets. They'll be the ones that will remove organizational friction faster than their competitors. Because technology doesn't care about your organizational chart. It follows your workflows. And workflows almost always cross multiple functions. And I've noticed something, that technology almost always changes faster than organizations do. And that's where many transformation efforts start to slow down. The greatest companies that create the greatest value won't simply adopt new technology faster. They'll redesign how people, processes, and technology will work together. Because in the years ahead, competitive advantage won't just come from the technology that you buy. It will come from how well your organization is designed to use it.